Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Thought of the day to speak in the school morning assembly. And the thought is it is by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Excellence is a continuous process and not an accident. I repeat, excellence is a continuous process and not an accident. Dr. Kalam's quote means that excellence is achieved through hard work and dedication. It is not achieved by accident. Achieving excellence is an ongoing journey of continuous improvement where individuals or organizations constantly strive to refine their work and performance. Dr. Kalam believed that greatness is not coincidence but the result of high sincere efforts. So, my dear friends, always remember that excellence is within reach if we are willing to put in the work. Thank you. Have a great day.